Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiash at the Red California. I'm Tiash, your health coach. After working with so many people, I'm not surprised anymore that you think healthy eating is boring and tasteless. But trust me, you need to think again. Today I'm sharing 4 game-changing swaps that let you enjoy your favorites guilt-free. Let's do this. We all have those go-to comfort food, right? The ones we dream about. But when you are on your weight loss journey or just trying to eat healthier, they often feel off limits. Today I'm showing you how to take 4 popular favorites and turn them into delicious, protein-packed and low-calorie versions. These are not just diet foods. They are genuinely tasty meals and treats that whole family will love, making healthy eating fun and sustainable. First up, say goodbye to those heavy flour wraps. While delicious, they can add a lot of extra calories without much protein or fiber. Swap it for a crisp lettuce wrap for a super low calorie, fresh option. The star protein here is tofu. We will use both crispy marinated, shallow fried cubes and some quick scrambled tofu for amazing texture. Load it up with a mix of crunchy veggies. And for the ultimate flavor, a creamy sauce made from peanut butter, soy sauce, zingy lime juice, freshly grated ginger, a hint of maple syrup, finely chopped spring onions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Say goodbye to those heavy flour wraps. This swap dramatically cuts calories while loading you up with protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Next, for those comforting noodle cravings. While they can be quick but high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and processed carbs, swap it for an incredible high protein and wholesome ramen. Instead of traditional fried noodles, we are using healthier brown rice and quinoa noodles. For protein, we are loading it up with both tender lean chicken and crispy pan-fried tofu, about 4 to 6 ounces of each. And don't forget the veggies. Plenty of mushrooms, bok choys make it incredibly nourishing. The key here to make an incredibly flavorful, and nourishing broth first, using onion, ginger, garlic, tomatoes. Here I am adding warm water, but you can add chicken stock too. Now it's time to add the green bok choys. While the broth is cooking, we are going to make a flavorful and quick sauce using soy sauce, peanut butter. This is unsalted and unsweetened version. Next I am adding a special ingredient. It's called gochujang. Hope I am pronouncing right. This is a fermented bean and chili paste from Korea. It's optional, but trust me, it truly enhances the flavor. A splash of rice vinegar, and our nutrient-rich, flavorful sauce is ready. Add it to the broth. Add the cooked mushrooms and chicken back to the broth and cook them together to enhance the flavor. This is not just a healthier food swap, it's a gourmet upgrade. It's warm, comforting, and seriously delicious without the guilt. This swap provides healthy fat, complex carbs, and a huge protein boost from two sources, turning a simple dish into a complete, satisfying, and blood sugar friendly meal. Now for a truly unique one. If you love Indian naan or any soft flour flatbread, you know how addictive it is. But it's usually high in carbs and low in protein. Swap it for my secret high protein and low in carb cottage cheese and egg flatbread. It's unbelievably simple. Just blend 1/4 cup of quick rolled oats, 1 cup of homemade paneer or cottage cheese, 2 eggs, salt to taste, optional garlic powder for the flavor, and blend everything together. After blending everything nicely, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give it a quick stir. And the batter for healthy, high-protein, soft flatbread is ready. Now pour spoonful of batter onto a greased, hot non-stick pan and cook until golden. It takes almost 7 to 10 minutes each side. Don't forget to sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top. This recipe creates a surprisingly soft, delicious, and incredibly high-protein bread that not only looks like but also tastes like Indian naan bread. This one is revolutionary. It gives you that bread-like feel with a massive protein hit, which is perfect for satiety and your weight loss journey. Finally, for all you sweet tooth out there, ice cream. Undoubtedly, it's delicious, but can be quickly add up in calories and sugar. Swap it for a vibrant, creamy, and healthy frozen yogurt. Add seasonal fruit for sweetness. For this ice cream recipe, we need very basic and simple ingredients. Try to have a very ripe mango for this ice cream recipe. I am using Kesar mango. Blend a cup of dry roasted makhana or fox nuts, few cashew nuts, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and fresh or frozen mango chunks. You can add a tiny bit of sweetener if you want. I am adding maple syrup, and for the flavor 5 cardamom. Blend everything together into a smooth consistency, and then we need to freeze it for a few hours until it's scoopable. This swap gives you all the joy for a cold sweet treat, high in protein and low in calorie, with actual fruit goodness. Perfect for summer, and kids absolutely adore it. So why these swaps are so powerful for your weight loss journey and overall health? They keep you full, reduce cravings, and help build or keep muscles, which boost your metabolism. When you feel full from protein, you naturally eat less throughout the day. Simple. Traditional high-carb food like white flour can cause your blood sugar to spike quickly, then crash, making you feeling hungry, sluggish, and crave for more junk. By swapping to low-carb and high-protein option, you slow down that sugar rush. This means more stable energy and better control over those nagging cravings. When you eat fewer refined carbs and more lean protein and fiber, your body can actually improve its fat-making process. It helps maintain healthy cholesterol level. You are not dieting or depriving yourself. You are eating delicious food in a smarter and healthier way. This makes healthy eating a joy, not a chore, meaning you can stick with it for long term. Most importantly, listen to your body. This food will keep you full for long time, so pay attention to your hunger cues and eat when you are truly hungry. Alright, which of these healthy, high protein and low calorie swaps you are most excited to try first? The Wholesome Ramen or the amazing Cottage Cheese Flatbread? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have your own favorite high protein swap, please share it with me. I'm very excited to try. If this video inspired you to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor and helped you to understand the powerful benefits, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, healthy and delicious recipes and weight loss tips for whole family. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Remember, healthy eating does not have to be boring or about deprivation. With smart swaps, you can actually enjoy all your favorite food, keep your blood sugar steady, support healthy cholesterol, and still reach your health and weight loss goals. If you like this video, I highly recommend you to watch this video next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.